everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all doing great and your preparations are going well. तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं IIM Indore की, which is one of the best colleges, one of the best IIMs for MBA in this country. A lot of you are aiming for IIM Indore and it rightly deserves this because it has been performing amazingly well in the last so many years and it deserves the place in the top 6 IIMs in the country. तो आज हम जो बात करने वाले हैं वो उसके EPGP कोर्स के प्लेसमेंट के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, which is the एग्जीक्यूटिव MBA जो कि IIM इंदौर ऑफर करता है और उसका एवरेज पैकेज गया है 24 लाख. सो एग्जीक्यूटिव MBA जैसे कोर्स के लिए एवरेज पैकेज 24 लाख जाना इज अ ह्यूज थिंग गाइस. सो लेट अस डिस्कस कि क्या हुआ इस प्लेसमेंट प्रोसेस में, किस तरह के पैकेजेस गए, किस टाइप की कंपनीज आई एंड व्हाट वाज द ओवरऑल प्रोसेस लाइक. सो वील cover this in very short, बहुत ज़्यादा details में नहीं जाएंगे. The placement process at various higher education institutions has begun. However, the prevailing pandemic situation has disrupted the academic calendars of the institutions massively. We all know कि बहुत सारे institutes में अभी placement process चल रहे हैं. A lot of institutes are going for virtual placement processes and a lot of things have been disrupted. A lot of processes have been disrupted because of the current situation. But nevertheless, the top B schools and the best B schools of the country are successfully conducting their placement processes, and IIM Indore is one of those colleges. So let us see इनके placement process में क्या हुआ. With a delay in placement process and interview sessions, updated academic calendars have been released by several institutions in the best interest of the students. The placement process has witnessed a major delay as compared to the previous year, which is happening in a lot of colleges, guys. Placement process काफी delay हो गए हैं इस बार. But we know that there are certain colleges that will definitely assure you a good placement despite the situation. They will find out new ways, innovative ways of ensuring your security in terms of jobs. Notable institutions like IIMs have been keeping a tab on the situation closely and planning schedules as per the present situation. The placement sessions, however, have been delayed for a month now, but as per the latest update, IIM Indore recently conducted the placement process for students of executive postgraduate program in management. तो जो executive course है postgraduate program in management में उसके placement processes successfully conduct हो गए हैं. The process was conducted for the batch of 2020. The rock solid foundation between the institute and its recruiters has proved fruitful since the overall response in the placement round was positive. तो ये बहुत ज्यादा मैटर करता है. अगर आप एक ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूट में हैं जिसके इंडस्ट्री में कंपनीज के साथ बहुत अच्छे रिलेशंस हैं, देयर इज अ सॉर्ट ऑफ ट्रस्ट within the industry that okay, this is the college that we definitely should go to for picking up the best candidates for our institution irrespective of what the situation is like. तो इस केस में IIM इंदौर जैसे जो कॉलेजेस हैं जितने एस्टैब्लिश्ड हैं, they are always at a benefit. The average salary offered to young professionals at IIM Indore was of rupees 24.10 lakh per annum as per the information shared by the sources. तो हमने डिस्कस किया कि जो एवरेज सैलरी ऑफर हुई है फॉर एग्जीक्यूटिव MBA कोर्स वो 24 लाख पर annum हुई है, जो कि हमें सोर्सेज से पता चला है. Moreover, the highest salary package was of 80 lakh per annum in the 2019-20 EPGP placement round. So just imagine guys, highest package 80 lakh per annum गया है पैंडेमिक के सिचुएशन में. It is a huge thing guys, and this is also not for the regular MBA, this is for the executive MBA course. तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. This indicated a massive jump of 153% from last year's highest salary package records. Oh my god, this is more than double the last year's highest salary offered for executive MBA. इस situation में भी अगर कोई college इतना amazing perform कर पा रहा है in their placements, then that college is something that you can always fall back upon, you can always rely on. और ये एक assurance होता है कि situation कितनी भी खराब हो जाए, अगर मैं एक established institute में हूँ, then I will be assured of my job security, of my placements, और मैं जितनी फीस पे कर रही हूँ उसका मुझे रिटर्न मिलेगा. So guys, this was about it. We do not want to delve into a lot of details about this. IIM Indore ने अभी बहुत ज़्यादा details नहीं share की हैं, but what we got to know about was the average package, the highest package, and that the placement process was conducted successfully. So I want all of you to aim at colleges that will provide you a security net because it is very important. अभी ऐसे टाइम में जब लोगों के बहुत सारे लोगों के जॉब्स चले गए हैं, लोगों के जॉब ऑफर्स रिवोक हो गए हैं, ऐसे टाइम पे एक ऐसे कॉलेज से एसोसिएटेड होना बहुत जरूरी है जो आपको एक तरह का अश्योरेंस दे और आपको एक सिक्योरिटी फील हो कि मैं अगर इस कॉलेज में हूँ तो मुझे प्लेसमेंट अच्छा मिल जाएगा. So that's about it, guys, and I hope this was informative to you. As and when we get more information about different colleges, we'll bring that information to you. All you have to do is subscribe to CATKing and press the bell icon so that you do not miss out on anything. And we're hoping that you're finding these news sections interesting, and it's helping you in your preparation and your decision making and your overall awareness. And I'll see you soon again with another interesting information about probably another B school or what's happening in the country and anything that's interesting. And all you have to do is stay motivated, keep working hard, and my good luck and my wishes are always with you. I'll see you again very soon. All the best, guys.